Hey, I'm sitting in the bathroom. My grandma's dying. And, I'm not gonna be at school tomorrow, so, or, like, the rest of the week, I don't think, but, like, I don't know what to do anymore. My grandma's dead. The last thing she told us to do was quit. We were trying to save her. The mask, she was pulling it off and we were putting it back on her and she just said quit. We had to. And all the people that watch this, I just want to tell you, you don't know what you have until it's gone. So cherish everything you got, because you may not know that one day you might not have it, and you're gonna be like, damn, I wish I would have realized what I had. So, please, this is me speaking to you. Be grateful for what you have. Because when I used to go to my grandma every day, I really didn't care, and I was just dead, and I wish I would.